Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create several virtual machines using Oracle VirtualBox and using Ubuntu server .iso file. Uh, First of all, you should download the VirtualBox using the link in the description, and Ubuntu server also using the link in the description. So once you have downloaded VirtualBox, this is how it should look like. First of all, let's create a new virtual machine. Let's name the first one master node. I'm gonna just name it master n because I already created several virtual machines before the same name. Then you're gonna select your Ubuntu server.iso file, which you can easily place it on your desktop. So this is mine. Then you're gonna press next. You're gonna set the username as user, the password 12345623456. Okay. You can set the RAM as much as you want, but for this project I'm gonna be doing 1 GB, one CPU. I'm gonna be using 20 GB hard disk. Alright, I'm gonna finish. So once we have created our virtual machine, we're gonna open settings. It automatically starts. You should exit the virtual machine first, power off the virtual machine. Then you're gonna go to settings, network. For the adapter one, you're going to go with bridged adapter and make sure you're connected to the internet. The bridged adapter is to make sure that the virtual machine is connected to the internet, and for adapter 2 you're going to go with internal network. This is so when you create another virtual machine, they would be connected through internal network. Then you can run your virtual machine, start your virtual machine, wait for it to start up. So it might take some time for it to start. You should be patient. So the first step is you select the language you want, and in this case I'm going with English. Uh, done, done. So basically you're just gonna be skipping through almost everything. Done, done, done. We're gonna be using the entire disk, and done. Let's continue. And for the name, we can use user. The username is user. The server's name is node. Uh, the username is user. The password is the same, 123456, 12345, 123456. And we should select here open install as an SSH server, because we're going to be using it to connect the virtual boxes. Then click continue. Done. I mean, you don't have to download anything, so we're gonna skip this step and go for done. And we should wait for the operating system to install and for the configurations to take place. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be back. So once the download is done, you should reboot now and wait for the system to reboot. So once the download is finished, you should log in with your username, which is user in this case, and the password is 123456. Now we have a list of commands which we should run. I'm gonna be leaving the commands down in the description, so you won't get lost. First command is, so first of all, we should use the command sudo apt-get update, then enter your password. It should not take long. Then you should run the command apt install nettools apt install net. Oh, I forgot to add sudo first. Sudo apt install nettools. Now you can check your IP. Sorry, ifconfig. So here you can see that you have one IP and the rest has no IP. So you should edit that by editing using the code sudo nano etc slash netplan slash o installer config.yaml. Now it takes you to this page. Now in this step, you should edit your DHCP4 and delete it and replace it with addresses and replace it with 192.168.100.100. Make sure to use brackets here. So the IP is .100, 192.168.100.100 /24, and you can go ahead and exit here. So now you can go ahead and type in sudo netplan generate. Okay, seems to have a problem. Okay, make sure to add brackets here. So now we can run sudo netplan generate and sudo netplan apply. Now in order to check out if everything worked out, you just type in ifconfig and you will be able to see that in the ENP-OS08 the IP is 192.168.100.100, which means everything worked smoothly. Now for this step we're gonna type in sudo shutdown h. It's gonna take some time to shut down. Now we're done with the master node. Now we have to make the slave node. So we have to clone the master node, name it slave node, but I'm gonna be naming it slave n, and we need to generate a new MAC address for all network adapters. Next, full clone, finish. So it's gonna take some time to copy the machine. Okay, so now I have the master node and the slave node. This is the first part of the tutorial. Make sure to watch part 2. I'm dividing the videos into short ones, so I won't have trouble with uploading them. So see you in the next and see you in part 2. Thank you for watching.